Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 unable to join session. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, click here and then first you need to type here network. Wait, type here view network connections and then click enter. And now once you're here, right click on your connection, right click on it and go to properties. If you are using internet cable, you will find here internet, click on it and then go to protocol internet version 4, and that's it. Now just make sure to make it like that and then just click OK and OK and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just run Forza Horizon as administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.